Hey, happy to see you back. New Yogabi class, new word, right? Let's do it. So today we're gonna review the word canary. Let's do it then. So bring both of your feet together, bend the right knee and put the right ankle on top of your left knee. Okay, like this way. And with control, start lowering your hips down. Sit like you're gonna sit on an imaginary chair. And just stand here and extend your arms out. Excellent. Now start moving your arms like a flying canary. And let's spell the word. Okay? C A N A R and Y. Excellent. Let's do it onto the other side. Left ankle on top of the right knee. You know, it's okay if you fall off your balance. If you fall, just fall with a smile. It's not a big deal at all. Okay, oops. Need to find some balance. And right. Okay, let's move those wings, flying canary, and let's spell it again. C A N A R and Y. Excellent. Bring both feet together and stand. Well done, guys. This wasn't easy, but you did your best today. So please feel free to comment below if you have any words that you want to see on Yogabi, and also share your Yogabi clips with us using this hashtag. Okay? Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!